northeast Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Pike and Wayne, and Sullivan, New York. New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bucks County in southeast Pennsylvania, Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 10:15 p.m. At 8:22 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Trump-Bowersville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing golf ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Bedminster and Dublin around 8:40 p.m., Tinicum and Pipersville around 8:45 p.m., Irwin and Lumberville around 8:50 p.m., Washington Crossing and Yardley around 8:55 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. Other storms will be moving into Lehigh and Northampton counties. If you are in the path of these storms, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Tuesday evening for Delaware and northeastern Maryland and New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until midnight Wednesday morning for northeast New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Lehigh, and Northampton. The National Weather Service